I just bought 4 out of the 4 IPOs that Robinhood is offering. Let me show you how I rank them according to how much I've put in. I deposited $60,000 to my portfolio that I made from social media just to buy one of these, obviously the biggest one. So let's get right into it. Up first, I've got a relatively small order from my account, which is $1,848 of VIA. I think there's no chance of getting a lot of shares filled on this one just because it's such a small company. So I'm just dedicating a little bit of my portfolio to it. But I'm still expecting at least a 50% gain in the first day, which is obviously way more than the S&P 500 returns in years. Next, I've got $3,420 in Gemini. This is a much bigger company with more shares to be filled, and I'm very bullish on the first day pump since the stock has been so hyped up. I am absolutely gonna buy so much more of this, but I'll talk about that in a second. The next one is Figure with a $9,600 order. I'm probably gonna buy a little bit more of this one just to push it over 10,000, but the really big one is next. I'm sure you already guessed it by now, it's gonna be Klarna, and I currently have $111,000 into this request. So if only 10% of my IPO order gets filled, I can probably see a $10,000 to $20,000 day in the stock market, which will be my biggest by far, considering the last one was $6,000 from the bullish IPO. So obviously you can tell I do not want to miss out on these. But guys, I'm going to have 6 figures of buying power by the time these IPOs are over, which means I will be loading up on my favorite stocks that have already let me see 115% returns this year on cash invested. So if you want that full list, comment the word trade in the comments below and I'll message you, and drop me a follow because I post these update videos every single day.